Want to make your scrambled eggs better? Today we're going to add chive butter and smoked salmon. Start with 10 eggs and 2 egg yolks and put them into a large bowl. After that, you're going to add 6 tablespoons of half and half, 3/4 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 a teaspoon of pepper. You're going to scramble your eggs until they are a uniform yellow. Chop up some chives. I recommend pretty small pieces, although mine are kind of big. It's up to you, really. It's up to your preference. You need about 1/4 cup. Next, you need 4 tablespoons of butter. I use salted, but really unsalted is the way to go. The salted butter was way too salty because there is a lot of salt already in this dish. Toast some bread. I personally like sourdough or even gluten-free. And then you're going to spread the chive butter on the toast. Remember to save some of that chive butter to put in the pan to cook your scrambled eggs with. Wait for the butter to get a little bit bubbly before you pour the eggs in. Remember to keep stirring your scrambled eggs because that's what makes them fluffy and keeping them from sticking too much to the bottom and not letting them get too dry. Scoop your eggs onto the toast and then top with smoked salmon. And really, it's that simple and it's super, super delicious. If you liked what you saw today, hit that like button, and I hope you join me for the next healthy breakfast recipe by subscribing to my channel.